Hi, welcome back to my channel, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Cruising with Goldie. Guys, in today's episode, I'm going to talk about everything. Yes, guys, everything you want to know about the C1D visa. Yes, guys, a lot of people are asking me, sir, please make a video on C1D. After watching this video, guys, there will be no question in your brain what exactly is C1D visa. So I request you to watch this video till the end. And guys, this is a request. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that bell icon. What will happen if you hit the bell icon? Whenever I'm going to post a video, you will get a notification and you can watch about the cruise life and all the information which I'm giving about the cruise life. So I don't want to waste more time and I want to begin with this video. So what I say, let's start this video. It's awesome. Question number 1. What is C1D visa? When you're working in USA, especially on water, only on water, you require a visa, and the name of that visa is C1D visa. If you don't have this visa, you cannot work in USA on water. This visa only allows you to work on water only in USA, no other country except USA. What is the validity of C1D visa? So guys, once you get your visa, the C1D visa, it is valid for 5 years. To renew your C1D visa. Now guys, you already have a C1D visa which got expired after 5 years. Now how you're going to renew it is very simple. The company from wherever you're going on a ship again will give you a letter of employment. All you need to do, take that letter of employment, all the other document which is required, put it in an envelope, go to the embassy where you do your biometrics, you remember. All you need to do, you need to go there and put it in a drop box. That is how you renew your C1D visa. But guys, wait, there are times I have seen they actually says no, we are not allowing this candidate for a drop box. He need to come back and give the interview again. So you need to go there and give the interview again for the renewal also. So these are the only two way you can renew your C1D visa. That's it. How to apply for a C1D visa? Now guys, listen to this. You cannot apply for C1D visa. No individual can apply for C1D visa. C1D visa is only applied by the company. Whenever there is a company which is sending you on a cruise or any kind of a ship, they will apply on your behalf. You can't just go online and apply for a C1D visa. You need to have certain documents from a company to apply for a C1D visa. So any agent, if tells you go and apply for a C1D visa, you cannot. It will be straight away a rejection. There are certain documents you need to provide and it will be only provided by the company which you are going from to the ship. That's it. What document should I carry when I go for an interview for C1D visa? Now guys, I have already made a very beautiful video on this topic. Now I will put that video link in this description box. Please go ahead and watch it. I am not going to say it again, so please watch it. What is the cost of C1D visa? Now the actual cost of C1D visa, I will say in a dollar because dollar goes up, comes down. So right now the total cost of C1D visa is $160. That's it. How can I check my status whether I got C1D visa or not? So guys, when you go for an interview, the interviewer will ask you certain question and all that. Remember this, if he takes the passport and keep it to himself, you are selected. He says, take your passport and go. That's mean you are rejected. So whatever happened, it happened on the spot. Remember, if he takes back the passport, keep it with himself, you are selected. If he gives back your passport again and says, thank you, take your passport and go, that's mean you are rejected. If I am rejected, can I apply for C1D visa again? And after how long I can apply for a C1D visa? Now, there is no duration how long you can apply. And yes, if you got rejected, you can apply for C1D visa again. I have seen people have applied four times and fifth time they got it. So there is no specific time and how many times you can apply C1D visa. You can apply anytime and you can apply n number of times. How long I can stay back in USA if I have a C1D visa? Now guys, this question is little tricky. If you have a C1D visa and you are going from here to board a ship, now you have only 48 hours to board a ship. Once you landed in USA, you get 48 hours. Within 48 hours, you need to board a ship. But it depends on the situation also. For example, if your ship got late, it stuck in some storm and it did not make it, so there is no problem. If you met with an accident and you are hospitalized, then it's not a problem. But in normal scenarios, yes, only 48 hours you get it ready and board a ship. Can I work in USA if I have a C1D visa? Now guys, the answer to this question is no. Don't even think about that, because if you got caught working in USA on a C1D visa, it's straight away deportation. They will send you back home and you will be never able to go back in USA again. So there will be a red cross mark on your passport, and if US give you a red cross mark, so lot of other country will never allow you to enter into their country. So please don't make this mistake. If you have a C1D visa, please go ahead and work on the ship and come back. Please do not think of working on land in USA on a C1D visa. Can I go on vacation if I have a C1D visa, or can I travel in USA if I have a C1D visa? And the answer to this question is no, you cannot. So C1D visa is only for working. And that too on water. If you think going on vacation, then you need to apply for another visa, which is B1, B2. But C1D visa, you cannot. In fact, if you travel from your home country, they will not allow you, because going on board you need to have certain document which I have already made it. If you does not have that documents with you, they will not even allow you to board a plane. Forget about reaching to USA. I stay in another state. Can I come down for an interview for a C1D visa to some another state? And answer to this question is yes. Guys, there is no rule and regulation that if you're from certain state, you cannot go to the another state and give the interview of a C1D visa. You can go anywhere in your country and give the interview for C1D visa. Now the final and the most important question. What all question they ask in the interview of C1D visa? So guys, I have already made a video on this topic. Please go ahead, before you're going for an interview, please go ahead and watch this video. And especially when you're going for an interview, just watch this video for once, because I have made it in two parts. One part says what are the tips to go and give the interview, and the second one is what all question they're going to ask you about the C1D visa with all the answers like that. So guys, this was the small video about the C1D visa. But if I have missed any of a question and you still have some question in your mind, so please message me on my Instagram. You can see this is my Instagram and this is my Facebook. You can always write it on Instagram, Facebook. I will answer. I will give you the answer to your question. So guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. You are not going to give me, I know that, because I'm so tired telling you the same. But if you did not like my video, please give me the thumb down. No problem, I will love it. But do something, like or dislike. So guys, I will come up with some more beautiful video about the cruise life. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and for then, bye from Cruising with Goldie.